No cheese.
Oh, on your signal light, guys, you're filtering into a main road. Oh, he's pretty much. I've stopped the car. God damn it! Oh, he's come out. He's come out. Go 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 go. Oh my, this one is damn soft.
I'm being surrounded by Toyota.
Wait,
The
give me a
traffic ain't
second.
loading yet.
Something.
Ah, there it is.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh,
Sorry.
what's he doing?
No, I deactivated my mouse steering first. Yeah, I upped the volume, then it got into
Go
the
straight, go straight.
That's my mini map.
Oh,
Live.
go straight, bro.
Oh, is this smart? Oh god.
I am not catching 100% turbo. Oh, I'm going too far. I'm going too far.
Was it trying the fast lane?
Bro, Bangala driver, bro.
He got no real license yet. And it's not this driver.
It's not this.
Just calm down.
Break.
Don't drive too panicky. You're the fakes. Wait, I just saw Justin pass by this exact same car that he's driving.
Yeah, I know.
Of course, there's no spot.
Where are you?
Where's Justin going? Where's leaving?
Okay, I'll slow down.
Calm down.
I put my turbo down already.
It's just a cruise. I can hear the whistle behind. From your turbo. Follow the ticket.
You bastard.
I follow the ticket through the gate.
Oi!
Change lanes! Use your mirrors!
Use the signal light, bro.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the
Wait,
death
Jimmy.
corner.
Yeah, this is the
The OG
death
corner.
Oh.
Overtaking a white suit.
What the hell?
Keep right or left, keep right or left here. This is the fog, Not fog, it's the weird divider. Ah, screw it.
ちょっと待ってください。
Oh god, I got
my
squeezed.
gosh. Oh,
Oi,
it's been hit by a Volvo.
You bastard!
It's totally Justin did nothing, absolutely nothing wrong.
Yeah, bro, what the heck? He just rammed into me, bro. I used my signal light and everything.
Twice is yes, signal. Oh, what the heck?
I must show intention. Oh god!
Oh, he just squeezed. I saw it.
We left him behind.
You bastard.
There's a blue Porsche.
No,
Oh,
Porsche drive.
Boxed in.
Push your German cousin. Wait.
Oh, what? No, I'm
Oh, I
stuck.
hit
I just scraped past on the outside.
It's always the same few cars over and over again.
No way, GT3 alright.
Man tried to get inside, oh he scraped it by.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
Why is
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
I just lost the packet.
Stupid idiot!
Turn too sharp.
Are you okay? There was a freak accident there.
It's a big one.
Must be
That was a big
confirm
one.
your previous.
Oh. Bro, this car's handling is amazing.
Suspension is too soft.
It's a pocket. Oh my god, the gap disappeared, Chippy. The one you went through.
Let me cruise a little.
Oh my god.
He's making the new Toyota Yaris. Oh, no weapon to cruising.
We're just speeding.
Oh, I'm at top gear already.
Squeeze! Oh my god.
Which ironically is 5th gear.
6th.
How far are
Go,
you
go,
guys
go,
in
go,
front?
the gap, the gap. Is that a car tuner seat?
Oh, help,
Yeah,
help,
it's
oh,
Swerving between traffic.
Spun. Guys, can you like stop at the
Chill.
road shoulder?
No, we're just chilling.
Okay,
No,
you
there's
can
a
park here, you can
turbo
park
here,
here.
turbo here.
Oh, the
Yeah, park signal. This is totally illegal.
It's an illegal right turn, it's fine.
Oh god, oh you can't go that way.
No, just
Huh?
stop here, just stop here.
Why you cannot go in? Oh yeah, you can go in.
Oh, he's here.
Yep. Hello,
Okay,
let's.
let's picture.
Okay.
Picture.
Our future
7.
cars. Oh, what? 7.
What?
What?
Oh.
Just
Apparently the GR Yaris RL got full sound. Oh, you're gone. I did not.
no
use
way. Jimmy changed colors.
Become one.
Okay, let's gun it down the highway. Go. Oh god, I feed the lorry.
I've hit the Range Rover.
I feed the Range Rover also.
Stay on the right lane. There's no other right lane.
How is Jimmy so fast?
More horsepower.
No
I'm not in control. I'm not in control.
Road street driving.
Oh, I hit the Porsche.
Yeah, 50 lane.
What are you doing, mate? Go,
Oh, we are
go.
topping out here already.
Like,
I'm
I'm
not.
trying.
Oh, I am topping out.
270. I'm still. I'm hit 280.
I've hit 280.
I've hit 280.
Yeah, I've hit 280.
Don't think you'll go mile downhill.
Even faster down here.
It's
I
sometimes
need
the traffic just cuts in, so careful.
290.
I need one more gear.
Oh god, I hit a car.
Ah, well, I'm at the limit.
Oh no, it corner.
Oh
God!
Corner, you idiot! Oh, I'm safe.
I'm upside down. Oh no. Packet is
I
spawned.
Damn it. I collided with an A4 and I died. I almost died.
Wait, were you recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait, you all went back to spawn?
I didn't.
Oh, yes, yeah.
You can come here.
Bro, it's gonna take too long.
far.
We can go back to spawn and go a different direction now.
This
How about rain time?
rain time. Say less.
But it didn't like go off already, bro.
No, it's a signal.
Sound made by Finico Belly.
Time to go off. Yeah, it's 10. It's 10:53 just there.
Oh shit, okay. I should probably go.
Time for afternoon.
Brake check!
Okay, bye.
But size are still here. Oh my god. Size are still here.
Yeah, it's better. Oh, I can feel my frames dropping. Where's the
Yeah,
U-turn?
there's no
Wiper.
U-turn point. It's just this side.
This car has no wiper. Oh no. Oh, I'm screwed. I can't see a thing.
Use the speed as your wiper. Oh my god.
I can barely Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, fish tail leg. Jimmy, I got. Have to go back to base.
Why?
I'm just fish tailing everywhere. I have to
Wrong
put
tires.
street tires on street. Would that make a difference? What the hell? Was Isaac doing? Oh, I'm still fish tailing.
Cause I don't care if my baby
Oh, what a drift.
making me feel like no
Dharma Dharma Left.
What?
I can scan the flick through it.
Go on.
No, I can't.
Oh no, he did.
As long as you you can take me anywhere.
No, change the light range. I made this bit too much. I actually cannot drive. No way. On your first sleeping.
It's 10. I can't play beyond 11:30. So
Change the range. You mean?
Changed it. It's just rain instead of hail.
Change the drizzle. Oh, you like the little powers. That was sick.
Off some walls. I changed it to drizzle.
Yeah, that was still city catch that tree.
I'm gonna go first. See you guys tomorrow.
Wow.
Okay, see you.
Bye.
Are you recording that tree?
I wasn't near you.
For God's sake. I can't touch the standing water. I drift. No, it's not wait now. Getting blocked here.
You just abruptly. Oh god, it could be tight. Oh no!
What are you
I did not do
doing?
it. I clipped the curb. Oh, tunnel.
My god.
Oh, no puddle.
Left. Sick.
What's he doing?
Just going. Wait. If I get the front end turned in, I can get the rears kicked up. No.
No.
It's so relaxing. You turn off the lights in your room.
Hey, shoot.
I am. It's a remote. Oh god. No way. It's so bright, okay. Oh, this is the underpass. No way. Oh yeah. So why is this roadblock in front?
Get through. Oh no. Indicator.
I leave.
You're right.
Yeah. Power wow sound check.
What
Use
the
your
hell?
indicator. Use your indicator. Maybe if you use your indicator. No.
Failed my driving test.
Your license has been revoked.
Wow, I can saw the shit. Oh, it's just this young. Whoa.
Stop right there, man. Oh, when the streets. Whoa, the truck just cut over, dangerous. You should record this, Bob.
Okay.
Yeah, the fire. How fast are the traffic? How are you gonna take photos though?
Replay. No.
You just bump. At least I tried. At least. At least you tried, matter. Okay, I tried this. No, just say this. Rear kicked out a bit. Oh my god. Terrified. I have to turn DC, yo. Driving without DC right now.
Driving out easy in the rain.
No, no good.
You see, you can use any car, it doesn't necessarily need to be on traffic.
Yeah.
Because they all
But
drive
traffic is
at
more
speeds.
generic. It feels like we're normal now. Oh my god. That was close. And again. Stop skipping my ass.
You did a high speed run yesterday.
No, I'm gonna die in interview. Shutoku.
Oh, right.
I
Stay under
live.
control.
Oh my lord. I want the rear to kick out. If I go over puddles in front of you, is it realistic? Will I just send it? Will it just dump a huge amount of water on you?
How did you fit through that? What the hell? The little nuts from my...
Cheekily.
I fit through that. Yes, I
No
can
way.
see.
Been it.
No, you're not fitting.
How could you? Can hear the burbling from your car. Oh my god. Did a snap. Unbelievable.
Even like the mirrors, the side mirrors get like covered with
Frost.
water.
Mm,
Yeah, and like frosted.
come on. Just pick your bets on who's gonna go faster. Pick your bets. What did the NSX do?
Destroy this bumper.
Oh my god, there's a massive part of But do you not see the ginormous part of it? The
I
you
was
just
fine.
skied up. Oh my god. Back the truck. Oh my god. No, Kevin,
No,
Kevin.
no, no, oh, why did I forward? Oh no, I'm dead.
No, yes, yeah,
I
I still
done a Robico pizza.
standing.
Yes.
I'm still standing.
Where are you?
Bilbo flatter.
Where are you? Oh, I see you. Swerving around the truck. Oh my god. Oh no.
So what you've done it. What you actually did.
Yeah.
You fell through the wall. You fell through the wall. Yeah. For
Yeah.
God's sake. Now we will
Oh
do
dear.
is respect the pace.
Oh dear.
I know a shortcut.
High speed run. Just want to do one high speed run, record it.
But we have to get to the expressway. Follow me, I know a shortcut.
Oh.
Yeah, wait for opening in the bridge.
Mission the traffic comes out. Oh, I have to slide. No, I hit you.
That's the opening.
I'm fishtailing.
That's the opening.
I'm fishtailing. I didn't see it.
My god. Fishtailing. It is so on the edge. There's no feeling on the front tires. No feeling. And stay well clear of me.
Danger.
Oh no. I change it to light drizzle. Or just drizzle.
Oh, he's getting worse.
Yeah, it feels like it. Visually it's getting a lot worse.
Change it to rain.
Need to drizzle. Drizzle. Oh hey, it's the Tokyo Disneyland Ferris wheel.
Here. Why did the traffic go?
They are bunched up in a clump. But they are respawning. In front. Lower. Change to try.
Try.
Just what's it on right now?
Just read.
No, change to drizzle. I can do a high speed run without that. Oh my god, I touched the brakes and the rear just went.
Just drizzle.
Yay.
Oh. So out of control on a mouse.
Oh, go. No corner. Is this corner again? We're going very fast. You're going at tremendous speed.
You can overtake.
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Stay you.
Yeah.
Come on. can't see anything. The spray. There's all the water running out the windshield. It's so realistic. Like, when it rains, does your dad on the wiper to like its maximum? If you're driving fast.
If it's very bad, then yeah.
For
Rarely.
me, my dad just drives. And the faster he drives, the clearer the windscreen is.
Well,
Physics. More. It's not a tripper yet. He's a the tough guy on the windshield. Like, if he sees a droplet, just on. A few droplets. Oh my!
Oh my god! If it gets bad, oh no.
Oh yes, you're alive.
I'm alive. Dinner Robico pizza.
Tontana, I need you.
Go fast.
What? You're my camera car. Brap. Right there. Are you sitting in my passenger seat?
I'm just changing all the camera modes in my car.
Oh my god.
But
Nope.
she's healthy.
Not yet. I don't know. They should offer more than one.
Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah.
Actually, goodbye.
Yeah.
Oh, goddamn.
I need to
You
my
do your
perspective.
heist.
Set to heavy rain. You can just watch my perspective. So I'll
How?
just go till I die.
I can't do.
It feels
How
fine
do I
on
watch you?
heavy rain.
I can't. How do I watch you?
Control numpad. And you cycle through until you find. Oh, I actually
No.
cannot see you.
No, how?
Is your
Cobra.
numpad on?
What? Why is my number on?
Is your num lock on?
No.
Turn it on, then you press control numpad 1.
Oh, I see. Oh my
Keep
god.
flying until you see the lunatic going wrong.
Oh, I saw it. Oh yeah, I see. Hello. Oh my god, I can see from your
that's
button.
fast! Oh god!
You bastard.
I clicked the person. Oh, I can't see.
It's safety. Oh my god. Go.
Oh, 5th gear.
Suppress a hut. I'm going on your front left tire cam.
Oh,
Boy.
then you should record instead.
How do you leave?
I don't know. It's so hard for me to third person and drive.
I'm recording.
Okay. 2 different POVs. Is it straight?
There's a con. I don't know.
Don't know.
Turn my HUD
I have
off.
no HUD. I have no HUD also.
No, hate south speed too. Yeah, I think this part all the way straight. That your wipers. Oh, yeah, you don't want.
Oh, I held it again.
You can see that. You can
I
see
can't
it.
see.
The threads in your tires. Threads. Lunatic cam.
Speeding. Oh,
No.
so scary from in third person. Whoa, passenger cab.
Why in third person?
It looks nice. 284, 285.
You're maxing out for sure. You're a bit too far to
I'm moving my mouse so little.
You have until the end of this bridge. Good luck.
Come on. Wow, this is back off fast.
Stop lane 12.
Look how fast everything is going past. Am I gonna die now? I'm keeping my
Probably.
foot in.
Turning my heart out back on. Oh my. Yeah. Right.
Oh no, he downed me. Whoa, my God.
Yeah, you're gonna die. Literally, you're already there.
Oh,
Keep your foot in, lad. The drift.
all the way.
Oh my god.
Oh my God. I've
No
seen
way.
Jesus.
Brilliant. Go back to base. I changed my perspective.
Did you catch that?
Yes, but I didn't record it.
What? Why?
And it's not recording a long time.
Why is just started recording again?
I don't know. I mean, how do I change back my camera?
Control number 2.
Oh. Photo shoot. You do a photo shoot.
Why is that yellow flag? Is in the way? Can I remove the yellow flag?
What?
There's
It's
yellow
not
flag
there.
on my screen.
There isn't. Not on mine. There isn't.
Oh, it's gone now.
Oh, now it is. Oh, now it's gone.
What? But it is for me.
Wait, I'll press back to base. Does that work?
Can you try?
I don't have yellow flags.
I have to like drive a bit.
I can use the reflection of the water.
I must drive until here and I don't have yellow flags.
But I have the yellow flags now.
No. Why? Oh, it
Depends
looks so realistic.
whose camera. I should park in front of the vending machines.
It looks real. It should
Change
look-
lot. Oh,
Oh, why don't they look first?
no, I. Oh. Reverse too much. Okay. F7, turn off the wipers. Oh. Yeah. And one now I have my yellow flag up there. No way. Do you have yellow flags?
No.
And you take the photos then.
Okay.
Oh wait, what? Do you go under? Can you see underneath the map?
Whoa, this building. There's a train.
What? Oh yeah, I see the train.
What?
Is this the train tracks?
Below is a train track.
I think so. Look
Wait,
at
it
it.
is it. What? I
Wow.
can't see it from above.
That's cool. That's cool. That's hella cool. No way. This is the most detailed map.
Yeah.
I'm curbing a bit on the back. And then, whoa, what do the vending machines sell? It's a snack vending machine. Oh, ice cream vending machine. That looks good though.
Hot menu 24 hours.
We need to go to Japan
Yeah.
once when we're adults.
Yeah.
Ah,
Cool.
wow. That's so cool.
Yeah, I'll send the screenshots later.
What, Discord.
Yeah.
The high speed screenshots.
High speed.
The one when you're on the high speed runs. Can you save the replay?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it'll be massive.
No, it shouldn't be too big. We didn't play for that long.
But it's a replay of every car.
Ah. Alright. I'm not too sure then.
Save it, do it.
Okay.
Toyota. Whoa. Just
Without
going through your
screenshots.
car.